it's Frances with your Book of Memories. Welcome to my new project share. I have created an extra large version of my original Gatefold folio, so I had a blast making this. I can't wait to teach you how to do it. So with that being said, I've got the tutorial down below. So I'm just going to walk you through this. I did use Echo Park Adventure Awaits. Now this is a really good construction for just pretty much any paper that you want to use, but this paper was a blast to work with. I mean, I had so much fun. So the products and things that I'll be mentioning here, you can find on jshobbiesandcrafts.com, and I will leave them, leave it as a link down below for you, as well as part 1 of this tutorial, okay? So very simply, we do have a chipboard spine, yeah, that's not a spine, chipboard spine, outside cover, the doors and everything, okay? And we wrapped with heavyweight paper. Again, I do go through all the details in the tutorial. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can just go check that out over there. The wonderful thing about this is that they had 4x6 cut aparts, they have chipboard accents, a 12x12 cardstock sticker sheet, ephemera, and they also have frames and tags, so it was an absolute blast. These wonderful closures come from Shelly's shop, so these are super cool. They kind of latch closed. I did a simple 4x6 cut apart and fussy cut some of these out of the paper line. And then we got a really cool constellation paper right here. And so we've got little mystical creatures, imaginary friends, and we even have the Yeti, the Bigfoot, the Sasquatch, just totally up my alley, okay? Wonderful book for just, I mean, anything. Anything that you want it, adventure-wise. 7 to 8 year old boy photos can go in here, your son, anything that it is that you love. So right here, we've got a super easy, super quick sticker. Just stuck it right there. And I'm gonna slide this over so I can open it up. Once you open it, it reveals a pocket up here. Very simply, I used my We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board to create the notch, which I show you how to do in the tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to scoot it up and then reveal this one down here. Same thing. Super easy, simple. Look at that. Okay, now I'm going to come back down here. This was one of the ephemera pieces. And then when you flip this up, we've got some picture space and journaling space as well. This is some ephemera. I added a strip here so you can, I don't know, put a photo there and right there. Or you can even journal if you want. Okay, so it just keeps going. I went along with my chalk marker as well as my journaling pen. Some people say, Frances, I really liked that before you added that. Well, you know what? Leave it out in your book. Again, remember, this is your book. You do what you like. I'm just here to show you how to do it. The way you do it is totally up to you. So I've got like this cool little hidden pocket back here and like a little hidden door. It just reminds me of adventure. Ah, I love that. Look at the inspiration from the Patterson film. Just beautiful. And these are some of the tags out of the, well, I made them into tags. Those are 3x4 cut aparts. This opens up, journaling space, place for a photo. Very simple. And again, you can go ahead and do magnets and stuff. Okay, this is not really, you could design this flap differently for a magnet, but I'm just going to keep going. Here we go. This closes up like that, and that holds that waterfall in place. Okay, let's move over to the right panel now. So we're right over here. I've got a couple stickers, and on the back of that centerpiece on the front cover, I added some journaling lines. Maybe you could put the date or whoever, you know, just some information right there. We've got a large pocket. Now I do want to explain to you that this pocket, actually, I'm going to lift the book up for a second here. This pocket is thick, okay? So you can stack a bunch of photos. I'm telling you, you can probably fit more than 100 in here. You know what I'm saying? Just a bunch of loose photos. So if you go anywhere, if you have an event that you went to, all those photos can be stored in one book. Beautiful. Let's just look at these really quick. Super cute. Monster truck. Love the redwood trees. I did make like a little booklet and I added some pages in here and I show you how to do that. Super easy. And that just tucks right back in here and this just closes. Very simple. Alright, so that brings us to the center now. We have a 4x6 photo spot and a little trimmed down photo right here. Ephemera and a sticker. Wonderful. This flips out. We've got some expandable pockets. Again, this is an opening, a gusset of 1/4 inch, so we've got a ton of space. Tons of space. I did do a magnetic closure for this, and in here I just have some cut parts. Okay, this thing expands out. Let me just show you that. See this? Beautiful. Look at this. Little man cave. I think there might be one more in here. Here they are. Oh, two. Keep out. And those just tuck right back inside here. And then again, envelope punch board, notch right there. And look what we got. You can store a ton of 4x6 photos in here, because this is 4.5 inches tall. So we got room. Adorable. Isn't that the truth? Look at that. So these just simply magnetic closure right there, and then just for extra reinforcement and for the looks, I just wanted to come around with that. I did go around with my journaling pen on those little things too. And I'll show you how to attach these brads. Here are some stickers and ephemera, more places for photos. Super easy, simple. And then we got this little spread, okay? So I'm gonna start on this side. We got a sticker. Super cute signature page there. This opens up, reveals some more photo spots. I love the Sasquatch book. It's probably my favorite. I'm gonna scoot this over so I can open this up and show you. We've got stacked pockets. Okay, super cute. Places for photos, we got inserts. Gorgeous. Put that back in a second. Look at this. Adorable. Let the adventure begin. Those easily just tuck right back in here. I like that little Yeti, little banner sticking out. And then we got some photo spots right here as well. These are ephemera pieces. That closes up simple. Oh, I missed something. There's a pocket at the top like my other gatefold. Remember this page? I'm sure you do. This is a tab from the ephemera pack. And I could even go around with my journaling pen right now if I just wanted to give this a little bit more interest. Or you can even just leave it blank. Give it your own little twist. All right? Why not? Oh, that's funny. Now we're on the middle. So what I did here was create a split belly band. So these are, this is a gatefold page, and this is staying closed by this. So there's a little banner here and here, and I just stuck a chipboard element right there. Super cute photo spaces. I'm gonna leave that out so I can open this up and show you. Another chipboard piece, ephemeras, okay? Beautiful little spread, 4x6 photos, cropped photos, you name it. This little guy just slips back in there to keep it closed. We open this again so you can see we're switching back and forth like this. A little spread, sticker, and ephemera. Beautiful. You open that up, and this is the back inside cover. And these are the last two flaps that open up. They are identical on both sides. I just use different design paper. Super cute little tags. And we've got these. Wonderful. And I do show you how to angle that and mat that pretty well, okay? My first time doing that, so I thought that was kind of cool. We've got a waterfall. Let's make mischief. Okay, I did do some free squiggles just because I felt adventurous and I just wanted to kind of do that. You could even add like a journaling spot on there. You could do whatever you want. We do have more photo space though, because I love the craft showing. I just accentuated it a little bit with the chalk marker. And then of course, photos on there. Beautiful. We do have a couple more tag spots right back here. I always trim my nails and I never know why. I can make a song about that. Okay, you can put a tab on this guy. I just didn't. Okay, be brave. Be brave. Super cute 5x7 photo spot right on the back right there. You can add that if you want. It goes in like this. And that is what I have for you. I am so super excited to show you how to create this. You do go right, left, right, left, right. Nope, left, right. Depending on how you put this little guy on there. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I'll leave the shop link down below, as well as the tutorial part 1. Bye!